I'm upset or uncertain, I come here to seek my father's spirit.
I
didn't even ask after him. Somehow I knew he'd...
Some years ago, he was destined to die in battle, and he did.
He sits with Odin now. My family owes yours a solemn debt.
That winter, your family came to stay with us. I remember your birth, screaming like a warrior.
The plague year. No one would take us in. No one but your mother and father. I owe your family my life.
And what a life we had. I've fond memories of you and I slipping out to hunt.
In dead of night. Stars in the sky. Moonlight on snow.
Oh, I should find that to you. Flashback anyhow.
And that's how I got that scar.
I do feel bad about that.
Ooh.
What about the one on your cheek?
This. A caution from the gods about my vanity.
Come. If we tell all our stories, we'll be here a week.
See something.
My imagination run amok, but let us away. Eivor, I'm over here! Funny how just the slightest noise sets a fellow on edge.
My force ham about it. I could sleep a week.
Not as spry as the old days, eh? When we'd search the night in hopes of catching a will-o'-the-wisp.
Did we catch one? I have a memory of catching one.
Verkar meg riktigt inte ha kära ni här.
What?
Back! Grab him! Bite his...
Yuck.
Who are these men?
Hey. Yeah.
Damn you bastards!
Wow, fucking a terug zou je nu. Yuck. Hey. Right. Hey, I can be enough of the veil in game shot and that's colleague the Dark Soul. Oof. I have when I combat group. Hey, push in.
Who are they?
My ascension to the throne has not been without contest. The previous king's son, Thorstein, is resentful.
You told
Thorstein.
me nothing of this.
You are my guest. I'm going to burden you with petty concerns.
Petty concerns. I now know why you've been anxious all evening.
Tis worrying. He's never been so bold before.
He sees you
Good
as a
bad
usurper
hit.
to his throne.
Perhaps, but he doesn't seem to want to take it. He contents himself by stealing and smuggling with his band of ruffians. It's petty Viking raiding, but it puts me in a bad light with Flann. That's certain.
What the valley? Hedge me wel niet ja. Hij gaat in wie een Assassin's Creed. Oh, een paars de Charlam en een escort mission. Zat je er? Een universe geweldig chemical.
Keep a sharp watch. Brigands rove the streets tonight.
You can be sure of me, my king.
Wat bad if. I guess I was trying to do Eefnigus ára had íirecht alle hackers. Yeah. Sin air san a tú ach gon síl sin eichert dain. Acht is beetje nee. Easy. Doe me festival air Twitter. Dus kun je mijn video in Jen streamshot it YouTube. Maar dat is okay.
What? You know I am always the last to leave a party. What is wrong?
We were ambushed by Thorstein's men. Rivals I was not made aware of.
Small wonder King Flan does not embrace you, Barret. You cannot keep control of the Vikings in your own city.
Thorstein makes me look like more of an arse than I do on my own.
See, it is the High King's disfavor that makes this shameful. My cousin, I will take care of Thorstein.
No, I do not want to drag you into this sorry mess. Perhaps you'll accept silver to lie low.
Ja, als je het al goed bent. Als je game Assassin's Creed has je. Even be worst that.
Remove this blood once and for all.
Eivor, this is not your fight.
For any and all of your God's sakes, Barret, let Eivor help you.
As of this moment, Barret, my arm is yours. Whatever is needed to bring Flan's smile upon you, I will do.
Eivor, I have never been so happy.
Your family saved mine those years ago. A fitting reply would be to secure your throne. I will start with Thorstein.
It happens that Siegfried may know something. He once ran with Thorstein's gang.
Sadly true. Seek him tomorrow in the marketplace. After a night of carousing, he likes to recuperate there.
We will begin to forge a bond with High King Flan on Rise of Sun.
Okay. Toen zit je gelezen, was er een vriend aan een huis, waar ik weg. En hij zegt,
Barret said Siegfried would be at the marketplace. I need to learn more about Thorstein.
kan je al heen? Wel vaak is in een gaartje. Eentje af. Ik ga een keer lachen. Hier. Vaak is in een gaartje. Agus jullie me een naheachgang. Er staan pek en een varach. Een glich. Agus sin het allemaal koers alle glie, agus weet na satje. So ai, eicher tuin, ja mis wintje. Dag goeden. Van Gàidhlig. Het een video in shot zoals op YouTube. Agus mis wintje eicher tuin, is nu een schachken ja, is nu een eicher tuin. En nu shortje. Gach kelletjiek aan een berg. Maar ik ai. Míle tangus an a bhí an chuteach a na hain a bhí i dheis. Chaúir fiús. So ans bha mé fell a mí san hospital. So sin servers nach rá chuich me channels an mías. Ach chuteach an nuair sin ein switch checking a gach. So chanú gan a game can switch check am chuich a bheach. So heis go daine san video éile de Animal Crossing an a badai eichgin so ha mí dulich mé sin ach a chutcin badai a gach bhuam, so ga nu go chile gaun. Ach chimi a dhíistú eicher dain teach godan. Okay. Víl tanga dhíist cartin agus agus cumhar a chluiche.